Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can easily install Copilot in PyCharm. Let's begin. So once you have successfully installed PyCharm on your Windows, open it up. You just need to locate the plugin section. You can click over here, this icon, click on it. Just under settings, you will notice plugins, left click on it. Then here on the search field or search bar, just type Copilot, or what you mean is GitHub Copilot. So scroll down and you will see this option. This is what you need, all right? You can click on it to read more information, but generally you just need to click on install, all right? So click on install, accept. This might take a few minutes, but just be patient. Once done, it will tell you to restart your PyCharm. So in my end, it has successfully installed. You just now need to click here, restart IDE, restart. Once your PyCharm is loaded back on your screen, you will notice in here, sign in to GitHub. So click on it, click on any option you would like. You can choose your official GitHub account, Google, or Apple ID. So just go ahead. I'm going to choose Google account. It will open up a new tab on your browser. Just make sure to authorize everything just like this. But that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.